Hey everybody, we're here in Texas. It's in the middle of May. It's really hot. I don't know if you can tell from there, but it's bug season. So I was about to clean my Jeep. Figured I'd show you guys a little trick that I use. Not sure if you guys use the same type. Hit me down in the comments if you got something that works better than this, but pretty much this is what I found is the best for me. So let's take a look. So as you can tell, there are love bugs everywhere, and I cannot get them to come off. I've scrubbed it twice, been through the car wash, nothing happens. So that's when it comes to these guys, the scrubbing bubbles. All right, so let's get after it. So just gonna soak it down. Not sure, usually I do this when it's not so hot outside, but put a good amount on there. Get it everywhere the bugs are at. You can already see it coming out. Somebody's probably come in the comments and probably tell me that this isn't good for my paint or good for my lights. Who knows? I've been doing it for a while. Everything seems to be okay. Alright, let's come back. Alright, we're back. So it's been sitting now for about 30 seconds or so. As you can see, the bugs are still on there pretty good. I'm just gonna take this sponge, see what happens. And we're gonna rinse it off with water and repeat if need to, which with the amount we may need to. Yeah, and again, if you guys have something that works better, just let me know. I'll try it out as well. Let me set this over here. Round one complete. Alright, so still see a few on there, but pretty much everything is off. I have to sit here and scrub it forever. Probably if I'd have let it soak for another 2 or 3 minutes, it'd have been better, but it's so hot, I didn't want it to dry on there. Maybe you should do this in the afternoon. But everything looks much better across the hood. You can see the lights. I may do this one more time, but if you're fighting love bug season like us, where you have to clean every couple days, this is probably a pretty good idea. Pretty inexpensive. If anybody knows if it's safe for paint and lighting, let me know. Plastic. Till next time, see you outside.